Okay, a friend was showing me ALMTF. I don't even like that company already. 5 letters? You're not serious. ALMTF. Rally-based rally? Yeah, I guess you are serious. Good luck. So it's OTC, which means it doesn't even make the requirements to be on the market. Who knows? Usually something in their accounting department. Taking a little page off Xi Jinping. Not really showing us everything. Who knows? I would be very careful with this. So you can see when we got down to the smaller time frames, that's literally nobody here. No volume, no nothing. Maybe that's why it's pushing up. The thing is when the volume does happen, where does it go? Maybe everyone agrees and they flood in and they send it, or they are all laughing at why it's this high and then it sells off. So when I draw out these zones, when I talk about money, it's because I like to follow institutions, big banks, and that's what I'm looking for in the charts. So if you were to take my strategy and try to put it into this, I mean, you're trading with a bunch of OTC people, and I don't really know their strategy. So far, I only know one OTC strategy, and the guy owns like 40 stocks, and it's 70, is I heard at one point, 40 to 70. I don't know, and he just waits for them to go up, and then he sells them. And to be honest, guys, the reason why I trade the same stuff over and over again, futures contracts, ES, NQ. Occasionally I'm on the kids menu, where it's MES, MNQ. And then Tesla. Now, Google doesn't have very liquid options. But other than that, Apple's not a big mover. The Magnificent 4 or 5 right here. Liquidity is not an option. I can get in and out. I can play whatever game I want inside there and be just fine. So when you take that and just compare it to some OTC stuff, like what's the risk to reward? If you really look at it, there's 6,000 tickers. That's cool. 5,995 of them are probably just not worth it.